This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials straight. Sign into HackerRank, pick a Python 3 environment, and select an easy problem to avoid blocking details early. Once you open the problem, skim the prompt and constraints to understand input size and limits, because that shapes your approach. Now create a fresh file in the editor, paste a simple input read template, and run a quick sample to confirm the platform executes code. This ensures your workflow is ready. You now implement the core logic. Write a concise function that matches the problem signature, leveraging Python built-ins like sum, sorted, or collections for clarity and performance. Once done, insert sample input into the built-in test runner and observe outputs. Make small adjustments until samples match exactly. After samples pass, create custom tests that cover edge cases and large inputs to check time and memory. This step prevents surprises during final submission. You finish by clicking Submit to run hidden tests. Read any failure messages carefully and reproduce failing inputs locally to investigate. If tests time out, revisit algorithmic complexity and replace nested loops or heavy operations with more efficient approaches. If outputs differ, add small local prints or assertions to trace variable states, then remove them. Make sure to rerun both sample and custom tests before final resubmission, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.